everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Elan credit card account. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to begin. In the URL box at the top, type in www.myaccountaccess.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the card member service portal. Go ahead and type in your personal ID in the text box located at the left hand side of the screen and make sure to type in your information correct. Once you've typed in your information, you can click the continue button, but in case you've forgotten your personal ID, click on forgot your personal ID link and follow the instructions in order to look for it. Once you click the continue button, on the next page, it'll ask you for your ID Shield question. Go ahead and type in your answer for the question. In case you've forgotten your answer, click on forgot your answer link at the bottom and follow the instructions in order to look for it. If you'd like the system to remember your credentials in this particular computer, click on this remember this computer box at the bottom, but leave it unchecked if you are using a public or a shared device. Once you enter all of your information and you're ready to log into your credit card, click the next button beneath, and that should be how you can easily log in to your Elan credit card account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.